Last weekend, I used this film camera, Konica C35 EF3, for photographing in the nightclub. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I captured. Hi, it's me Yusuke from Tokyo, and some of you guys already know, but ever since I got into photography, I've been focusing on documenting Tokyo nightlife, like runaway teens, drinking cultures in Japan, red light districts, and also nightclub culture. But I use different cameras for clubs and streets. For clubs, I prefer using plastic, toy-like point-and-shoot cameras because I think these kinds of cameras match the party vibes. And last weekend, I went to the club with my friends, Alex, James, and a special guest from New York, Faizal. And of course, I took some photos with this camera, Konica C35 EF3. So you will see what I captured. Let's get started.
Cheers, kanpai.
Cheers, kanpai.
No way.
So humid.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
To Awich and Skywalker.
Yeah.
Let me talk a bit about this camera, Konica C35 EF3. This camera is a pretty basic with fixed exposure at f2.8 and focus options of 1 meter, 1.5, 3 meter to infinity. The lens is a bit squatch, which sometimes gives the photos a blurry effect when I use the flash, but I love it. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time.